In this video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate a website on Squarespace. So if you want to duplicate a website or a page on Squarespace, this is definitely a video that you want to check out. So I'm going to get started right away so that I don't waste your time. So I'm on Squarespace right now. You want to do that as well. Now let me just click on save right here so that I can actually click on home. So you want to make sure to just go to that page. All you need to do next is click on the Squarespace logo, which you can find at the top left corner. So click on that logo and this will send you over to all your websites. Okay, so click on websites, not on domains. Make sure that it's on websites. Now next up, you'll find all of your websites. I only have one here. And what you want to do, you want to basically, with your mouse, stand on the website and then you'll see these three dots right here. Click on these three dots. Now next up, you'll find the website name, plan, expires, and then right there you'll find duplicate site. All you need to do is click right there, duplicate, click right there on duplicate, and there you go. It's now duplicating that website. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If this helps you out, make sure you go ahead and also leave a comment and let me know in the comments down below. I would appreciate that as well, and then I'll see you next time.